Let's be honest, most of us that use a table saw for the first time, it scares the crap out of us. If you have a proper push stick, you never have to worry about putting your hands close to the blade. This push block from Milescraft actually has a little L bracket on the edge here that you can push down so it's level with your table saw. That way you don't have to worry about the push block accidentally knocking over or anything like that. It also has a guide on the edge that will catch the back, so you can ensure you're putting pressure on the back of your cut the whole time pushing it through the saw. This is something that I definitely recommend spending a little bit of money on and getting for the shop, especially if you're new to woodworking.